Is your Amazon Smart Thermostat suddenly refusing to react to temperature changes or commands from the app? Many homeowners encounter this issue when the display becomes unresponsive, schedules stop working, or the thermostat disconnects from Wi Fi. While it may seem like a major problem, the cause is often a temporary interruption or a simple settings issue. In many situations, an Amazon Smart Thermostat not responding problem can be resolved without replacing the unit. Before assuming the thermostat is faulty or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal operation. Switch off power to the thermostat at the circuit breaker and wait for a short period. 2. Restore power and allow the thermostat screen to boot completely. 3. Confirm that your home Wi Fi network is working and reconnect the thermostat if necessary. 4. Open the Alexa app and verify that the thermostat appears online. 5. Test the heating or cooling system and make sure the thermostat responds correctly.